How to create a playlist in YouTube in your Android or iOS devices. So hey guys, if you want to create a playlist for your YouTube account or channel, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So for this particular operation, you won't be requiring the YouTube Studio, you will only need the YouTube application. So let's open our YouTube application. Then once the application fires up, you need to click onto the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then in this interface you can see this playlists option. From here you can see this plus icon. So simply click onto this plus icon and it will ask you for a new playlist title as well as its visibility. So first let's name it a title. So then once you have named the title, you need to choose its visibility. So in the visibility option there are three options. The first one is the public, on which anyone can search for and view this particular playlist, and then it is a unlisted playlist that will only be accessible to those who has the link of this particular playlist. And then there is the private playlist, which is for your own use. So if you want to create a playlist for your YouTube channel and you want to organize your own videos, then you need to choose the public option. And then from here it also has an option to collaborate. So for example, if you want some other person to add videos into that particular playlist, then you need to enable this option, or else you need to let it remain the same way it was. Then once you are done with these configurations, simply click onto this create button, and here you can see that this playlist has been successfully created. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.